Hey everyone, welcome back to HashTech Network. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to set a login password in Windows 11 step by step. So let's get started. Click at the Start menu and then select a setting. From the left-hand menu, click an account and then select Sign In option. Underway to sign in, find a password and click on password. Click add or change if a password is already set. Enter your current password. Enter your new password. Confirm password. Add a password hint to help you to remember it. Click next and click finish. Your password now is set. Try locking your screen to test it, and that is it. You have now secured your Windows 11 PC with a password. If you found this helpful, make sure to give a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to HashTech Network for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.